This week I will share a simple self-care technique for trigger finger inspired by a conversation with a friend. Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko from Arigato Wellness and it's time for Massage Monday. Recently I went to Henri Live at the Wheel Turn in Los Angeles. After the concert, my friend and I went to BCD Tofu House, and during the late dinner, she told me that she had started developing trigger finger. That made me curious about what my favorite Japanese healer, Rendo Sugimoto, recommends for trigger finger relief. He has his own method using a special device, but you have to be a certified practitioner to get one, so I will share a technique that he learned from another Japanese healer. First, put your thumb inside and make a fist. Then, bend your wrist about 30 degrees. Grab the wrist with the other hand tightly. Open your hand quickly. Do this about 5 times. Here's a different angle. That's it. You can do this as needed whenever you feel your finger feels stiff or starts catching. I hope this simple technique brings you some relief. By the way, Henri was awesome. I grew up in Japan listening to her music, so honestly, I expected to see Japanese people around my age at the concert. But my friend and I were blown away because probably 95% of the audience was non-Japanese and mostly younger generations. I had heard that Japanese city pop from the 80s had become popular around the world, but seeing it in person was incredible. I also happened to be from the same hometown as Andy, so I was very proud of her success and seeing so many people singing along to her Japanese songs here in America. Anyways, try the technique if you have trigger fingers or share with someone who has them. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click on the bell. Make it a great week.